Here's this elevator. It doesn't work. But what if we go around? What is the point of that? I originally thought this was broken. Oh boy. What the? No chime. Open up the R side. This one runs a lot better. Basic Wrath phone. KONE. Typical VR buttons. What the? Well, that's just great. Did it just break? It just broke. Okay, I can see why they have this disabled now. Broken. Broken? Yeah. I don't know what happened to it. Does it have a nudge? No comment. Alright, I'd be standing here for 10... Alright, I'd be standing here for 10 million years, so... Wait, hold on. Okay. Okay, screw it. I'm not dealing with this. That's it.